Today I want to show you how to make a kimbap. It's gonna be kinda difficult. I'm gonna give you a little bit of tip to make the kimbap. Let's start. Firstly, we need to prepare the rice. You can add salt and sesame oil. And second most important thing is a kim, seaweed. That kim designed for the kimbap. This one is already cooked. So actually there are three types of that. First one, this one is kind of for the kimbap. And it's like more greeny color as you can see. Second one, non-cooked seaweed. That one looks exactly the same but smells a little bit more raw and color is more brown when you see it on the sunlight. Third one, you can find the seasoning one. It's it's like square box and there's a sesame oil and salt already. So best one is you can use this kind of kim. It's best for kimbap. But if you couldn't find that kind of kim which is uncooked, then you can just cook it onto the pan. It's like both sides on the heat. It became like that. I want to show you two types of the kimbap which is you can find anywhere. So I'm gonna use 3 eggs for 1 kimbap. There is one is a kind of smooth surface, one is kind of rough one. The rough one should be onto the top and put the rice. So fill the rice on just here. This bottom going to there onto the rice. But when you actually roll that, the rice is still hot, right? So all the steam and heat is make it connect. You don't need to put any extra rice. Just put this on the bottom like that and it's gonna be connected. When I was in Bandung, I found that too interesting because they love meatball and they love fish cake. So literally you can find the fish cake anywhere in Indonesia. So this recipe you don't need a heat, so young kids will be making it together. This is what I made it. So try this one.
What's the feeling?
This is egg. This is a fish cake. How was it?
It's like balance, umami. You put pickles, so it's really balanced. You can actually try this at home. It's very easy to follow. And ingredients are also available, everywhere. You can find it easily. It's a very easy meal and healthy as well.
You can share this video any website, anywhere. We will be happy. Thank you.